So this is definitely a thing that we would normally do with actual chemicals and all that, and it works pretty well and all that kind of stuff. But we're gonna be stuck doing a simulation because you don't have voltmeters and all that kind of stuff at home. Not too hard to actually make a battery at home, basically. Um, so you've got all kinds of chemicals around the house you can make a battery with. But anyway, the way this thing is gonna work on the lab instructions that I will upload with this. I haven't written them yet because I just found this thing a little bit ago. But on the lab instructions that I'll upload with it, I'll give you the website, but you can see the website right here too. And what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of put some things together. So I was kind of messing with this earlier. So if you click on the side over here, why is that not working now? Is this page not live anymore? Okay, there we go. So anyway, you click on a metal, and then you have to give it some sort of solution. So it'll tell you which solutions to put where and all that kind of stuff. We'll do silver and silver nitrate over here, and we'll do copper and copper nitrate. Then you can also adjust concentrations. We haven't messed with that yet. That's Nernst equation stuff. Down here, we can calculate all sorts of different things. But then we can put these away and we can turn it on to complete the circuit and see what kind of voltage we get, right? So we see the voltages, go away thing, right? So we see the voltage. It also shows us which direction the electrons are going. So some of the questions will be, what are the direct, where's your cathode? Where's your anode? Which one of these is this? Which one, and that kind of stuff. They've got some particle view things here. Right, so we can see what's taking place here, how electrons are coming down, and so now, as you go, which electrode's going to get heavier? We think about we're adding silver ions over here, turning into silver metal. So in this situation, the silver is going to get heavier, right? And because the stuff's going from solution the other way. If you look at this electrode's going to get eaten away at, right? So this electrode's going to get smaller over time, and the solution is going to get more concentrated and stuff. Doesn't look like they do anything with a salt bridge here. They don't choose different kinds of salt bridges and stuff, but for what I've been able to find, this one seems like a pretty good one there. Right. Anyway, go ahead and just go through the lab, and then if something's not, I think with the picture view stuff, it makes sense pretty well. Go through the lab. I'll have you calculate on your own what it should be and then verify by turning it on. But it's a nice little check that you're doing these correctly, positive, negative, which directions are the electrons flowing. So if you kind of do them first and then click the on button, you can verify that you're doing it right and that your head's got which directions the electrons are going to go figured out in your head and all that kind of stuff, right? Anyway, there is that.